but can't process it. So the exercise actually trains other areas of the brain to process the visual stimuli.
Essentially what the retraining does is to force their blind field to work hard.
What you doing, the bear?
To distinguish something about this visual stimulus, and doing that over and over again.
What are you
It's just
doing?
a visual exercise.
Now the technique will work on virtually
Are you sad? You look sad today.
Studies shows an increasing number of children are taking medications to control their blood pressure and blood sugar levels.
Here's a sad bear. Your
Your
tail is wagging. How come your tail is wagging?
Children's use of
Ah.
blood pressure, cholesterol, and diabetes drugs rose 15% between 2004 and 2007.
Where's the peanut?
The child's fast food diet, lack of exercise, and weight problem.
Oh, bud.
Full-blown heart disease.
You're sucking on the sucky. It's upside down.
Yeah, that's a little astonishing.
Yeah.
Now we're going to talk about little habits.
Chubby little face.
And if you
There's the cat. Sleeping.
What you speak, Karen. I've seen your venti on your desk, which you refill a few times each day. The truth is, caffeine is a drug, right? Yes, it's a legal drug. But you can get addicted, and I am here to tell you, you can really feel it if you listen.
What you doing?